Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people ask me about. Can Excel be converted to Smartsheet? The short answer is yes, Excel can be converted to Smartsheet. But there are a few things you need to know before you do it. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based collaboration platform that allows you to manage projects, tasks, and workflows. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, task management, workflow management, document collaboration, customer relationship management. How to convert Excel to Smartsheet. There are a few different ways to convert Excel to Smartsheet. Use the Smartsheet Excel add-on. This is the easiest way to convert Excel to Smartsheet. Simply install the add-on, open your Excel spreadsheet, and click on the Smartsheet button. The add-on will then convert your spreadsheet to a Smartsheet sheet. Use the Smartsheet importer. This is another easy way to convert Excel to Smartsheet. Simply go to the Smartsheet website and click on this Import button. Then, select the Excel file that you want to convert. The importer will then convert your spreadsheet to a Smartsheet sheet. Copy and paste. This is a more manual way to convert Excel to Smartsheet. Simply copy and paste the data from your Excel spreadsheet into a Smartsheet sheet. What are the benefits of converting Excel to Smartsheet? There are a number of benefits to converting Excel to Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a more powerful tool than Excel. It has a lot more features and functionality, such as Gantt charts, dashboards, forms, automation. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform. This means that you can access it from anywhere, at any time. Smartsheet is a collaborative platform. This means that you can share your sheets with other people and work on them together. What are the limitations of converting Excel to Smartsheet? There are also a few limitations to converting Excel to Smartsheet. Not all Excel features are supported in Smartsheet. For example, you can't use pivot tables or macros in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a paid platform. While there is a free trial, you will eventually need to pay for a subscription to use Smartsheet. Overall, I think that converting Excel to Smartsheet is a great idea if you're looking for a more powerful and collaborative platform to manage your work. However, it's important to be aware of the limitations before you do it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.